नमस्कार, स्वागत है आप सभी का संवाद में।
And among them, the most significant and sensitive skill is communication skill. Do you agree or not? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, now tell me, my friend, why do you think it is significant and sensitive? You said yes. Haji? Anybody? Why is it significant? Why is it sensitive? हाजी, कोई हाथ खड़ा हो?
Sir,
बैठे बैठे बात करें।
unless we communicated,
आप बैठे बैठे बात करें।
unless we communicate, we are not able to communicate our thought. So whomever we are going to express our views.
So communication skill helps us in expressing.
Yeah,
So why do you want to express? Why do you want to express?
Even animal has also communicated.
So we are not animals, we are human beings.
That's why we are more communicators.
And since animals do it, we should do it. I don't believe this. Why should I communicate? Very simple question, not rocket science. Why should one communicate at all? इसके तो बात की बात है, पहले communication क्यों करूँ मैं?
Otherwise, actually, by communication we want to express this thing and to make them understand what.
Yes. Very right. Give a big hand. बहुत बढ़िया. To make people understand what we want them to understand. Otherwise, they may misunderstand us. You all keep on issuing instructions to your juniors, and if you are not good at communication, juniors may not understand what instructions have you issued. Or if juniors are not good at communication, you may be good at communication, you are instructing properly and clearly, but they may misunderstand you and they may do what they want to do because they have misunderstood you. To make people understand what you want them to understand, communication skill is required. That's the only reason. And most importantly, bitterness in relationship in society, wherever it is, bitterness in relationship in society, wherever it is because of disorder in communication. Very simple. The parents and the children, the grandparents and the grandchildren, the generation, so-called generation gap, the husband and wife, the siblings, the friends, the boss and subordinate, the buyer and the seller, the supplier and the vendor, the client and the counselor, if there is a bitterness in relationship, somewhere, at least one reason is disorder in communication. महाभारत के प्रसंग में द्रौपदी का एक वाक्य, अंधों की संतान अंधी ही होगी. If you remember this episode, in the प्रश्न में दुर्योधन जब पानी में गिर गया था, द्रौपदी laughed. अंधों की संतान अंधी ही होगी. And this one sentence seeded the seed of the war, महाभारत. एक वाक्य संबंधों में कटुता पैदा कर सकता है. और यदि संबंधों में मधुरता चाहते हैं, we want pleasingness in relationship, we have to have constructive, concrete dialogue. Constructive, concrete dialogue, which is only possible through communication skill. Now we'll talk about certain episodes. One of my students who got selected in civil services, I'm an intro trainer for civil services, IAS, etc. So when he became a civil servant, after a few years, he invited me for a housewarming ceremony. I went for a feast, I enjoyed the dinner, then I was appreciating the house, and a question came to my mind: when did this person come to my class for interview training? Now try to understand. The question that came to my mind was, when did this person come to my class for interview training? And I asked him, yeah, how long have you been in service now? He said, for the last 5 years. Oh, you've been 5 years? I just for 5 years. And 2 years of probation. So you came to my class 7 years back. He said, yes, sir. Oh, that's great, that's great. Very fine, very good house. Congratulations. And I came home. And he told his friend, sir, मुझे क्या चोर समझते हैं? No, I appreciate it. But he got an impression कि मैं उसे चोर समझता हूँ. कहाँ किससे क्या गलती हुई? Any guess? ये मिसकम्युनिकेशन क्यों हो गया? रिलेशनशिप खराब क्यों हो गया? कहाँ किससे क्या गलती हुई? I complimented, मैंने तारीफ की उनकी. Any guess? Any forms on this table?
Because you thought you estimated how much he earned.
Yes, because you kept on estimating.
Within that 7 years,
Within that
you
service
asked
period,
more
how
than
did
you
he earn?
construct
इतना बड़ा
your
मकान
house.
कैसे बना लिया? I never intended it. Now, what we say, we speak what we don't want to say. That's the problem with communication. We speak what we don't want to say. I never wanted to say that you are a corrupt person. I never wanted to say that. But I spoke a sentence which conveyed the meaning that you are a corrupt person. And this happens with everybody in communication and interpersonal relationship. हम जब बोल रहे होते हैं हमें खुजलियां आ जाती हैं. नहीं, मेरा मतलब ये था. तो जो मतलब था वो क्यों नहीं बोला? Actually, I mean, say what you mean. Don't say what you don't mean. नहीं, I mean, say what you mean. Don't say what you don't mean. But we are happy to say what we don't mean. हम जो नहीं कहना चाहते वो कह बैठते हैं. Human beings हैं, animals को खुजलियां नहीं आती. Human beings को खुजली आ जाती है. The problem with communication is खुजली आ जाती है. So I kept in mind that next time when I go for a housewarming ceremony, I will never ask the person, how long have you been in service? Another civil servant, he invited me for a housewarming ceremony. He was also my student. So I did ask him, how long have you been in service? I even did ask, when did you come to my class? मैं कहा मुझे प्रश्न पूछने नहीं, क्यों परेशानी बोल लो? कई लोग कहते हैं कई जगह नहीं बोलना चाहिए, चुप रहना चाहिए. हो सकता है चुप रहने से लोग हमारे बारे में गलतफहमी हो जाए, लोगों को भ्रम हो जाए कि हम बेवकूफ हैं क्योंकि हम चुप बैठे हैं. होने दीजिए भ्रम, होने दीजिए गलतफहमी, क्योंकि बोले तो पक्का मालूम पड़ जाएगा. I hope you understood. If we don't speak, people may misunderstand us to be fool, but if we speak, they will know it for certainty that we are fools. It's better not to speak. अच्छा, बोलना नहीं आता तो नहीं बोलूं भाई. तो मैंने तय किया इस बार मैं पूछूंगा ही नहीं, सिर्फ तारीफ करूंगा. And I told this person, हाँ, good house, great, excellent, बहुत बढ़िया, मजा आ गया, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा, शाबाश. And I came back. Now this person also tells his friend, सर मुझे क्या चोर समझते हैं? अरे अब तो मैं बोला भी नहीं कुछ. फिर कहाँ गलतफहमी हो गई, कैसे हो गई? Anybody, any guess? Any guess?
Because you appreciate him for his house too much. Excess.
Yes, give him again. बहुत बढ़िया. Excess of appreciation is satiric. Excess of appreciation, excess of complimenting beyond the proportion is sarcasm. I hope you know sarcasm, sarcastic.
Yeah.
व्यंग्य है, मजाक बनाना है. इतनी तारीफ क्यों कर रहा है भाई? कुछ गड़बड़ है क्या? So तो जरूरत से ज्यादा तारीफ कर रहा हूँ. And not only excess of appreciation, but also my body language. Look at my expression. बढ़िया है. बढ़िया है. पैसा कहाँ से आया मालूम है मुझे?
Doubtful बढ़िया.
Doubtful बढ़िया है. I conveyed so many other meanings through my raised eyebrows and through my nodding head. When I appreciate a person with nodding head and with raised eyebrows, I'm actually sarcastic. I must restrain my eyebrows and I must not keep on nodding my face while I appreciate. Then I really appreciate. So we speak not only through the words, we also communicate through body language. BL is body language. We don't only communicate through words, we also communicate through body language, including facial expressions.
धन्यवाद इस वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए.